Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 11th match in round 2 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Ardenne Prep from St. Andrew up against Polyground Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Sheldon Reed, and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Ardenne Prep won. They decided that Polyground Primary should play first. So Polyground Primary, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. How old was David when he was anointed king of Israel?
70 years.
Incorrect, 30 years. Bible knowledge to you, Ardenne Prep. Give the name of 2 disciples who witnessed Jesus' transfiguration.
Peter and John.
Correct. Polyground, science. What does the prefix hydro, as used in the word hydrology, mean?
Water.
Correct. Science to you, Ardenne. What does the prefix chloro, as used in the word chlorophyll, mean?
Pigmentation.
Incorrect. Green. Polyground, regional affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's national flag is displayed.
St. Lucia.
Correct. Regional affairs to you, Ardenne Prep. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's national flag is displayed.
St. Kitts and Nevis.
St. Kitts and Nevis.
Correct. Polyground, English language. Spell occasion.
OCCASION.
Correct. English language, Ardenne. Spell the word publicly.
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 Correct. Polyground, primary, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and give the first and last name of this cartoon character.
Phineas.
Incorrect. Phineas Flynn. Television to you, Ardenne Prep. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and give the first and last name of this cartoon character.
Ferb Flynn.
Incorrect. Ferb Fletcher. General knowledge to Polyground. In which country can you find the Mount Etna volcano?
Nicaragua.
Incorrect. Italy. General knowledge, Ardenne Prep. In which country can you find the Angel Falls?
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Correct. Social studies, Polyground. What is the title of the national anthem of Trinidad and Tobago?
In plenty and in time.
Incorrect. Forged from the love of liberty. Social studies to Ardenne Prep. What is the title of the national anthem of Barbados?
I love beauty. Just beauty.
I love beauty.
Incorrect. In plenty and in time of need. Music to Polyground. How many finger holes are there on the front of a recorder?
Six.
Incorrect. 7. Music to Ardenne Prep. How many keys does a normal piano keyboard have?
Do we know this? Just say no, just say 20.
20.
Incorrect. 88. Polyground, mathematics. What is 1945 hours on a 12-hour clock?
7:45.
Judges? Incomplete. 7:45 p.m. Ardenne Prep, mathematics. What is 1750 hours on a 12-hour clock?
17:50 p.m.
5:50 p.m.
Correct. Polyground, sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Brown.
Incorrect. President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Christopher Samuda. Sports to you, Ardenne Prep. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. It's a visual question.
Nicholas Saunders. Just say Nicholas Saunders.
Nicholas Saunders.
Incorrect. Former president of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Michael Fennell. And that's the end of Section 1. The scores now read Ardenne Prep on 5 points and Polyground Primary on 3 points. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, try to eat healthy snacks which are high in nutrients and low on calories. Good options include fruits, yogurt, and vegetables. Please stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.